Hey subscribers, today I am talking to you about a lesson called Neighborhood Numbers, and this lesson is going to help develop number sense in young children. It's very important for children to understand number sense, and this will help them add and subtract in kindergarten and first grade. So we really need to lay a strong foundation for students about numbers so that they are aware that we use them every day. Number sense is the ability to understand numbers and quantities and use these numbers in a flexible manner, and they perform calculations mentally. So according to research in the United States, our students lack number sense. So traditionally, students have relied on the rote algorithms that we were used to growing up. However, Common Core standards have gotten away from that, and without really understanding what they are, the students are not going to know what they're doing. So in this lesson called Neighborhood Number Hunt, the objective is, what do numbers tell us and what information can you get from numbers? So my standards are listed right here, and the first one is 1 NBTA1. I can read and write and show numbers to 120. So keep in mind, these again are first grade standards. The second one that it focuses on is I can organize, show, and explain number information, 1 MDC4. And the last standard is I can ask and answer questions about number information, 1 MDC4 again. So I try to start off all math lessons with a read aloud. It's important to connect language arts to math to show students that it is cross-curricular. So this book right here is called Chicka Chicka Boom Boom, and it's by Bill Martin Jr., Michael Sampson, and Lois Ellert. And so this book talks about numbers, it shows numbers, and it counts by tens. So this is going to get the students thinking about math and thinking about counting. We then are going to read our I can statements that I just showed you, and I have the students repeat them before I go into the lesson. I then tell them we are going on a number hunt around the school. If you're doing this at home, you can do a number hunt around your neighborhood. So in this worksheet, it is called Neighborhood Number Hunt. There are two sections. There's a picture section, and there is a what does this number tell you section. So both of these sections are going to be filled out as they are going on their number hunt. And the students are going to be drawing a picture of the number, of what they see and where they see it. And then I'm going to have them just write a few words of what does this number tell you. So once they're done filling this all out, then we're going to come back and we're going to discuss the findings that they had. Maybe numbers tell us somebody's address, or they can tell us what room number you're in. So all the questions and all the findings that these students have, we need to talk about why they are there and why numbers are important to us and how we use them every day. If you do not have this paper available, you can make it, and so I will show it for just a second. You can use a blank piece of paper, you can even have them write it on your phone, you can show pictures of your neighborhood to get them thinking about, oh, okay, this is where I'm going to see numbers. So overall, number sense is important, and I think that we need to develop that in our primary grades in order for them to understand and to elaborate on numbers in cross-curricular activities. Thank you.